Sam and Ash Injury Law, the sponsor of this segment, are here to share the red and green flags of personal injury law, what to do and what to look for in an attorney. Really important information. So let's welcome partners Sam Mirejovsky and Ash Watkins to the show.
Hi, thanks, Rocky.
Of course. And so tell me about this partnership. How did it come about?
Well, we actually met in law school, and Sam was already in personal injury law, and I was headed to work for insurance defense, which is thrilling. And then luckily, Sam and I joined up to do personal injury at another law firm, and we saw all the pitfalls of how things can be done wrong, and decided to start Sam and Ash and do personal injury law done right.
The right way, right?
Yeah.
This personal injury law industry, I guess you could say, it has a bad reputation for scams and ambulance chasers, right? So let's talk about some of the things to look out for.
Yeah.
Well, I wonder.
To be aware of.
You're absolutely right.
Yeah.
And one of the things that I think a lot of people think is I'm going to find a place that has all these reviews, you know, online reviews. A lot of that is just stuff that's paid for. So places that will have thousands of reviews are farmed out, and you want to look for organic reviews.
Okay.
You know, you want to look for a place that has, obviously, that is in the community.
Right.
That's in Las Vegas. There's a lot of firms that are out of state, and you know they don't know Nevada. They don't know Las Vegas. They don't know the court system. They don't know how to operate here. And then of course that shows.
Yeah, and one other thing is don't buy into all these promises you see.
They're
so
the commercials. And
I mean, it's so frustrating. All of these promises they make to people when they're going through a really difficult time, and so much of that is buried in the fine print. The fees aren't really lower. They make up for it in these advanced costs. And so just be wary and be sure to interview the law firm before you agree to sign up with them.
That's really good advice. So you guys, your mission is to change this perception. How are we doing that?
Well, we're doing things better, and you know we're obviously we've and Ashley alluded to it. You know, we worked at a big firm once upon a time, and we saw a lot of the things that happened behind the scenes, and we were disgusted by it. We were really appalled. And what we decided to do was say, all right, we're gonna when we eventually start a firm, which is, we have now.
Congratulations.
Thank you. We said we're just gonna do things the right way. And it you know what? Sometimes it's harder. It's harder to compete against people that cut corners. But we're slowly building our reputation, and we're 5 years in. And I can say that it's actually working. And it's working because people recognize that we have a different quality.
Yeah, and we just care.
I can tell that.
Yeah, we really care about the community. We care about our clients, and we really make it a client-centric approach where it's not about us. It's not about our egos and all these awards that people can go out and buy. We're making this about you and your experience, and we understand it's such a difficult thing to have to go through. So we want to make sure we maximize your physical recovery, financial recovery, and that we communicate that with you.
First name basis, open 24/7. You guys got a great operation. So thank you to Sam and Ash Injury Law for sponsoring this segment. Call 702-702-1333 or visit samandashlaw.com, and we'll be right back.